In the Samir Raina and Ranveer Alabadia wala case, let us understand the procedure and why not every FIR necessarily leads to trial. Look at it this way. So FIR hui hai, this will lead to an investigation. Investigation के बाद you need the magistrate's first OTP. तो ऑथेंटिकेट करेगा कि इस केस में कोई दम है, whether he wants to proceed ahead or not. इसको कहते हैं cognizance और ये दे रखी है 210 BNSS के अंदर. If the cognizance is taken at this stage, then only will the case proceed forward. I am not taking you through elaborate details. I'm only sticking to the topic because there are much more branches that can happen. But cognizance, अगर magistrate साहब ने cognizance ले ली है case की, then what happens is that you go to an issue of process का stage, which is given in 2 to 7 of BNSS, wherein either summons will be issued or warrants will be issued, and then both of them or whoever is the accused in this case appears in front of the magistrate. Then a prima facie case is made out. Prima facie case by the prosecution is made out, and then again, इसी stage पे either the accused is discharged कि कोई केस नहीं बन पा रहा, we will not go to a trial here, और discharge अगर आप नहीं हुए, बेसिकली आपकी डिस्चार्ज की एप्लीकेशन नहीं स्वीकार की गई है, देन देयर विल बी अ फ्रेमिंग ऑफ चार्जेस, और अगर ये चार्ज फ्रेम हो गए, देन यू हैव टू नेसेसरली गो थ्रू अ ट्रायल which ends either in a conviction or in an acquittal. So this is the stage number 2. So this is OTP 2. This is आपका OTP 1. An FIR, a case instituted on a police report, जो कि investigation के बाद police report यहाँ पे फाइल होती है, police report के बाद cognizance accept करी जाती है. A case instituted on a police report, basically which is being generated by an FIR, need not necessarily go to trial because it can be dropped either at this stage or either it can be dropped at this stage. So you are very, very far away from a trial. This is quite lengthy. और CRPC के अंदर ऐसे 2 से 3 alternative और 3-4 branches और खुल के आ सकती हैं. However, that is way beyond the scope of this short. If you liked it, great. If you want more information on CRPC, you can check out our channel.